Hi guys, so I was building this mock-up for my portfolio website and I wanted to show some of you how to make this decoration on image. So this image is rounded by itself and you can export it in Figma easily. And I done that, as you can see. So how can you make these decorations? So first if you want to copy this one, you have to look for the dimensions of it. So I copied the dimensions and pasted it here and converted it to rems. You have to have some div to gather all of these elements together, this decoration and this decoration together with image. So that div is called column image wrapper in my project, and you have to set absolute position of that element. So if we set it to static, for example, you can see these elements will stay here, but not very well. But if we go back to absolute, you can see that they follow the image. Of course, this is not optimized for smaller devices because I'm still building it, but on desktop it works great. You can see it followed the image. And of course you have to set position absolute on these elements as well and position them as you want. So I position them in here and this one in here as well, and now they follow the image. So in conclusion, you have to set everything to absolute. Yeah, that will mess up some of the elements in your section, but I mean, it's cool effect. You can later organize everything as it should be.